Set up your walker with ease by attaching the platform on either side. Ensure the brackets are fastened to the sidebars or hand grip securely. Adjust the height to suit your comfort level. Once in place, tighten the knobs for stability. Designed to take pressure off your hands, supporting your arm and shoulder instead. You can easily adjust the arm base horizontally or tilt it for a personalized fit. Lock the arm base with the side knobs to keep everything steady. Secure your arm using the comfortable strap for added support. Control your walker smoothly with just one arm. If needed, attach the hand grip bar for extra control. Tighten the bolts under the arm base to ensure everything stays in place. It's important to check the nuts, bolts, and clamps periodically. Never use the walker if any part is loose. Great for anyone with limited hand strength. Constructed from lightweight aluminum, making it easy to move. Enjoy the padded armrest for extra comfort during use. Fits most walker models, even the ones that fold.